Hello, hello, hello again. She came in. I think this might actually be my first international purchase. And yeah, y'all won't believe this, but, well, maybe you will. Who knows? But anyways, I got something obviously from Versace, and it's absolutely ridiculous. Is my name on this side? No, it's not. Okay. Lifestyle Versace home. Yeah. No, didn't nobody pay that price. Absolutely not. It is something that I've wanted for a few, 2, 3 years now. And I could just never say, oh no, I can't. I just can't spend money like that. Then I found it on this, I don't know, resale website for about 70% off. It comes with everything. It's still a ridiculous amount of money to pay for what it is. However, I'm going to cherish this. I'm already excited about it. I love it. So let's see here. What's all this? Okay, this is some, made well, handcrafted well, yada, yada, yada. And then, let's see here, another tag. Yep, you can see right here, travel cup. Yeah, y'all, they got me. They got me. I can't help it. I ordered a different travel mug. Well, this isn't it. Another travel mug that I was going to get bedazzled. And I said, you know what? By the time I pay for the bedazzling, it won't be that much less than this. Here she is. Absolutely stunning. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let me see it, shift it over. Isn't she a beauty? And I also maybe got slightly influenced because I hadn't actually checked online for this in quite some time. Because anytime I looked online, whether it was the Real, what is it, the Luxury Closet, all these different places, I could never find this on sale. Or if it was on sale, it's only off by a couple $100. Yeah, this bad boy normally is $1,000, $1,050, something like that. For a cup, y'all. Yeah, they getting folks. However, I was watching Cassie $2 and she got this, not this particular version, but this travel mug, the bedazzled one, for Christmas. And she's like, you know what? I've wanted it for a while. And I just said, pull the trigger. And I'm like, I can't pull the trigger for $1,000. However, I found it online and it was almost 70% off. Could not believe it. It said it was in near mint condition, which I would agree with. And I don't notice any missing jewels, but for 70% off, if there is one or two missing, I ain't gonna be mad at them. Let me see. Anything? No. Yeah. I love it. Okay, let me see if I can open this with just one hand. Oh, probably gotta put it between my thighs to get the night. Okay. So I need it. So there we go. All right. Watch there be green goo or something crazy on the inside. Oh no. It is perfectly fine. Huh. Let's just see. For cold, hot beverages, 16 fluid ounces. I am beyond excited. I got her. Oh, I got her. I love it. And yes, I'm totally a Versace person now. See if there's anything else, if there's like instructions. Not that you need instructions on how to, but I don't know if there's maybe some special instructions on how you should wash or handle it. No. So we're good. So this is just a quick unboxing. If I remember the name of the place where I got it from online, it was like a man's name, like Julian's Paradise. I don't know. But if you're looking for it yourself, here it is. Let's see here. There you go. And, oh, this was nothing. This is just saying that they did a good job of making it. But here we go. We can see the top, the sides. I love the Medusa head. Love, love, love. Look at that. Isn't it gorgeous? Oh, I love it. And this is going to be something I'm going to keep at home. I mean, keep on, you know, at work. This is going to be my luxury at work. Oh, I love it. And it feels nice in my hand. Doesn't feel like big and bulky or anything like that. I'm a happy camper. All right, y'all. This is it. Very happy. I am not necessarily recommending this for anyone. I'm just saying it's fun and I like it. And it puts a smile on my face. Happy, happy, joy, joy. All right, y'all. Have a good one. Till next time. Bye.